Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best price alert Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A price alert is a feature that sends alerts or notifications to the investor when the price reaches a specific level. The feature will allow a trader to make a timely trading decision based on the information. This feature is useful because it empowers a trader with the ability to take action in just time, without having to constantly track or monitor market movements. The biggest reason why traders would want to use price alerts is to avoid spending all day staring at their charts or watching their trades progress. By setting a simple price level alert, traders can plan their days in a much more efficient and organized way, but still stay on top of major market events if or when they unfold. Traders who are searching for some of the best price alert Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best price alert Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 4 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option is a leading online trading platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of financial markets. With a user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational resources, IQ Option empowers traders to access and trade various assets. The platform offers a versatile trading experience, combining simplicity with advanced tools to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. As a result, IQ Option has earned a reputation as a trusted and innovative choice for those seeking to explore the world of online trading. IQ Option offers a diverse array of trading instruments for individuals looking to explore financial markets. Their wide range of instruments includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex, commodities, and options. This platform empowers traders to access and trade these assets seamlessly, providing a comprehensive trading experience. IQ Option offers a tailored proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to cater to different preferences and needs. This platform is available as a user-friendly web platform, a desktop application, and a mobile trading application for on-the-go trading. IQ Option's trading platform offers an array of analytical tools, indicators, and a seamless trading experience across various financial markets. Accounts are offered on a standard real account, a VIP account, with demo and Islamic account options. Their array of accounts ensures that traders can choose the one that best suits their trading objectives and experience level. IQ Option offers an extensive array of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills. These resources include interactive tutorials, video lessons, webinars, and articles covering various aspects of trading. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, IQ Option's educational material caters to traders of all levels of expertise. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your techniques, these resources offer valuable insights. Additionally, the platform's demo account allows users to practice strategies in a risk-free trading environment, enhancing the learning experience. Coming in at number 3, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the cTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as cTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the cTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets is a globally recognized online Forex and CFD broker known for its commitment to providing traders with a cutting-edge and user-friendly trading environment. With a strong global presence and a reputation for transparency and innovation, IC Markets offers a wide range of trading instruments, competitive spreads, and lightning-fast execution. IC Markets offers a diverse and extensive range of trading instruments, making it a go-to choice for traders seeking variety and flexibility in their trading portfolios. They offer a comprehensive selection of assets, including Forex currency pairs, stock indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. IC Markets provide traders with the opportunity to explore and capitalize on various market opportunities, whether you are interested in trading major or exotic Forex pairs, speculating on global stock market indices, or diversifying into commodities such as gold and oil. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IC Markets offers 3 main types of accounts, which include the cTrader Raw Spread account, the Raw Spread account, and the Standard account, and also provides demo and Islamic account options. IC Markets is dedicated to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the financial markets. Their educational resources are a testament to this commitment, providing a comprehensive range of learning material and tools. Traders, whether beginners or seasoned professionals, can access a wealth of educational content, including webinars, video tutorials, market analysis, and trading guides. These resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, from the basics of trading to advanced strategies, risk management, and market analysis. With a strong focus on trader development, their educational resources are a valuable asset for anyone looking to expand their trading knowledge and improve their trading skills. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best price alert Forex brokers, we have eToro. Since 2007, eToro has evolved into one of the most trusted and popular Nasdaq 100 and stockbrokers. If you are new to trading, eToro offers an incredible trading academy for beginners. However, experienced traders can also use the academy to refine their skills. The educational content provided by eToro is free to use and covers many different topics, including crypto trading, investing, trading, and more. This broker is trusted by more than 25 million people worldwide and is also available to United States citizens. If you would like to diversify your investment portfolio, eToro offers more than 2,700 stocks with zero commission trading guaranteed, as well as a variety of cryptocurrencies, over 300 ETFs, indices, and Forex pairs. The eToro trading platform simplifies data exchange between traders and speeds up sharing experiences, and features advanced and revolutionary currency trading software. This enables Forex beginners to easily enter the world of Forex trading via a user-friendly interface and a highly customizable platform. eToro's trading software gives a visual representation of transactions, which helps intuitive trading while it brings together social and promotional features such as a traders community chat and trading contests. Their application is available for Android and iOS devices. The eToro retail account is a flexible all-in-one account that is suitable for copy traders, social traders, and beginners. This account can be used to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, Forex pairs, indices, and ETFs. The eToro retail account also allows users to stake cryptocurrencies, and it can be used for copy trading. Retail accounts have limited leverage, but retail clients are covered by the Investor Compensation Fund and the Financial Ombudsman Service. They also receive negative balance protection and margin closeout restrictions. The eToro Professional account offers all the same features as the retail account, however offers much higher leverage, and only customers registered under eToro UK and eToro EU can apply to be a professional client. eToro offers an exceptional trading academy with guides, videos, and articles covering all topics related to trading and investments. The educational resources provided are suitable for beginners, intermediate traders, and experts. There are many detailed how-to guides, and the Trading Academy dashboard makes it easy to find more information about any questions you might have. eToro also provides updated news and analysis, as well as in-depth market research PDFs. eToro is an all-in-one broker that is regulated by top-tier institutions and offers competitive trading conditions. We recommend eToro for all types of traders, especially if you are interested in social trading, copy trading, stock trading, or crypto trading. This broker is one of the few, if not the only, Forex broker that currently allows cryptocurrencies to be staked on its platform, and is also a great option for traders who are eager to refine their trading knowledge and improve their skills, because the eToro Academy offers an abundance of educational resources for all levels of experience. And those are some of the top 5 best price alert Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.